In this lesson, I will explain to you how age lookup formula works in Microsoft Excel. So age stands for horizontal. We have learned V lookup, V stands for vertical. So age lookup works horizontally. How it works, I will show you with the help of few examples. So see here, suppose if you want to find out Ash January sales. So what you have to do, you have to write down the name Ash here, and here, as you know, we are going to apply the age lookup formula. So formula always starts with equal to sign, and then you have to write down age lookup, right? This is age lookup. You have to follow the syntax. So first is lookup value. What value you are looking for? I am looking for Ash, and after this we have a comma. Then table array. Table array means you have to select your complete data, complete table, right? I am showing you this example with the help of a very small data. If you have a big or large data, you have to apply the same syntax there, and then you have to put comma, row, index number. This is one of the most important thing. So see, Ash is here, January is on row number 4, but please do not write down row number 4 as two rows are skipped. We do not have any data on row number 1 and row number 2, so you have to start counting from here. Month, this is 1, this is 2, so you have to write down 2 here and then put comma. After comma you have true and false. True means 1, false means 0, so you have to write down 0 here and then parenthesis close. Press enter, then you can see here you can compare your results. So Ash January sales are 1000. If I will ask you what is the David January sale, so there is no need to repeat all these steps, only you have to change the name. Just write down David and press enter, you will see 30,000 is there. Similarly, if you want to know about the Robert January sale, so make it Robert and press enter, and then you can see 1500. If I will ask you what is the Robert's November sale, so what you have to do, again you have to start your formula with equal to sign and then age lookup. This is age lookup, and then first is lookup value. We are looking for Robert. After this we have a comma, you have to follow the syntax. Then table array, so this is our table, and then comma and then row index. You can see here November, even though November record is row number 14th, right? But you have to start counting one from where you had started your table. Even though there are two rows, but these are blank, our table starts from this row number 3, so you have to count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, right? So you have to write down 12 here. Simple is, suppose if there are 3 lines are skipped or 4 lines are blank, so whatever is the number, so this minus this means 14 minus 2, that is equal to 12. You can write down like this, and then you have to write down 0 parenthesis closed and 6500, so you can compare. This is Robert, right? This is Robert, and Robert's November sale is 6500. If I say what is Fatima's November sale, so what you have to do, just make it Fatima and then press enter, you will see 3700. You can compare the record from here 3700. I have made another very simple example for you. So see here, these are the names, same names are here, but here I have used the subjects. In suppose Ash, chemistry marks are 87, in physics he has 67, 89 in math, and so on. If you want to find out the marks, suppose Ash marks in chemistry, so what you have to do, here again you have to put equal to sign, age lookup, and then we are looking chemistry because age lookup works horizontally, and then you have to put comma, select your database, and then comma. The third is the one of the most important item, right? We are looking for Ash. Even though you can see Ash is on record number 6 or line number 6, but please do not write down 6 here because you have to count from here 1 2, right? So you have to start counting from where you had started your data. It is, then you have to put 0 parenthesis closed and 87, so you can see Ash marks in chemistry are 87. If I ask you What is hash marks in math or English? So what you have to do, not repeat all this step, just make it math here and press enter. So is 89. Then you can compare. If I will say what is the total number, so you can write down only total here, and then you can see 299. You can check from here as well. Right here I am writing all this physics, chemistry, math manually, but if you want you can make your drop down menu as well. You have to go to the data tab. In data tab we have a data tools. Here you can see data validation. In data validation you have to open this list, and this is the list. Click on list, and then you have to click, bring your insertion point in the source. Right, this is the source column. In source we want to make the drop down list of physics, chemistry, math, English, this, and press OK. Now you can see we have this option here, whatever number. Suppose if you want to find out the physics number, click here. Here I am going to apply the same formula, right? So formula starts with equal to sign. Here we will put equal to, and then age lookup. We are looking physics, comma, and then you have to select this table, comma. Suppose you want to find out this time Rahul, right? So this is, even though you can see Rahul is on row number 9th, but do not write down 9 here. You have to start counting from here, because we had started our table from row number 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So put 5 here, and then comma and 0, and press enter. So you can see, or you can compare that. Here is 88. In physics, Rahul has 88. So now we have a drop down menu. Open this drop down menu. If you want to check Rahul's marks in chemistry, just select chemistry from here, English from here, total from here, 316, and you can compare your data, right? Here in this example, manually you have to write down, but if you want, you have a suppose too many columns, you want to make the, it is recommended that you have to make the drop down menu and select whatever you want. In this way you will get your output easily. I hope the lesson is clear, so please practice it. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.